Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my Usha OTG, which means Oven Toaster and Griller. This is my OTG. This is the other side and this is how it looks. This is my OTG. Usha. The brand is Usha, which can be used even for grilling purpose, even for baking purpose. And it is not that useful as far as my concern for heating it or defrosting it. It doesn't have an option of defrosting. These are the accessories which they gave, like, to use it. It also has a grill pan, whatever you call it as. And this is the other thing which I have here for grilling the chicken. And this is it, which has a it collects all the waste here. Even this I'll be covering with a wrap. See, it's been 2 years old, but see the rust over here. It's a genuine review. It's not a sponsored or a collaborated video. See, because of chicken being cooked here, it has got these marks over here. What I feel is the machine, whatever the machine, whether it is a washing machine or an oven or a mixer grinder or an air fryer, whatever it is, the lifespan is very less. Be prepared for buying the next one, or have some depreciation, as however I say, or save some money per month so that you can buy the next one. This I'll show you after opening it. It also have these skewers, and this is used for putting the this also has the skewers. It also have this to put the chicken to rotisserie kind. It is going to help you. I'll show you. These are the skewers for grilling your chicken, like BBQ you can make in this. See, this is it, how it looks. It has a glass open lid which goes down when you open it. There are totally 4 skewers, and see, this skewer even I used once before and it is catching. You can see if the camera is focusing. See, it has got a little masala onto it. It's going to catch it like that. I have totally 4 skewers with me, and this is used for attaching it. Oh, I got 5 skewers. And this one to pull the tray, this tray, to pull this tray, it is used. And coming to this, see, this is the instruction manual for a person looking for an oven toaster griller. See, this is an OTG of 9R, like, see this, like this. You can put your skewers on this, and the pan which is given here, like here you can put the skewers. I have to reverse this and show you. Here you have to put your skewers, putting your chicken in this, and I'm going to share those recipes also in the future if possible. I'll be sharing the video in the future if possible. See, this is the skewer for grilling your chicken, but whatever this thing you use, you have to use this aluminum tray over beneath this, because it's going to spoil your bottom side of your oven completely, so it gets spoiled. So you have to use this, and while you're using, make sure you use it along with the aluminum foil. See this. Yeah, coming to the review about it, it comes with the manual instructions. Okay, this is the main unit. This thing, see here, it has temperature. See, it has minimum to maximum of 200 degrees. It has maximum of 200 degrees, where I'll be making my chicken mostly with 200 degrees. And this symbol I'll tell you. It also has a third button of times to be set, like how much time you're using. It depends upon what you're cooking. And I'll on it and I'll show you. And coming to this, I got a cum tray This is called a crumb tray, baking tray. But I've got this crumb tray. This is the crumb tray. And this black one is a baking tray, which I've got. And this is a grill rack. And this is a rotisserie. Rotisserie is where you put a chicken legs joints or a complete chicken and you make it rotate this like a grilled chicken, which we get in the restaurant style. And then I got this skewer rods fork and this rotisserie tong. Like you can pull this, you can pull this tong with the help of this. Actually, with this you can pull it, and also grill and bake tray ka tong. Coming to the inside, it has convection fan inside, but which is not visible. It has a bulb over here. That's the bulb which you can see. And this is the rotisserie machine where you put to rotate your chicken 360 degrees. It is going to heat. And this is the place of your crumb tray. This is the top heating rod. It is. See the ceiling of it. This is the ceiling. It got rusted actually, which I feel so bad for it, but I cannot see. I literally maintain it so good. I'll clean it like very dry. I'll make sure I'll be washing it immediately, but still it's used hardly for 10-15, not even 15 times, hardly for 10 times in the span of 2 years, hardly. And see, this is the bottom rod which gives heat. This helps to grill actually. If I put on the power, it is going to start. I'll show you that. See, this button is a toast and fry where you will get both top and bottom. You will get this rods being heated. So even this rotisserie, for that mode you have to use this. And next comes the bake. This is a symbol for baking. This function should be used for baking actually. For top heating you have to use, if you put a rotisserie and if you want to use it only for the top, you have to use this function. And for roasting and all, even you can keep things warm, but I don't think it is useful for defrosting. I don't even think it. You should have the proper bowls and all. It's your choice. And this also has a manual coming with the mode. This is toast and fry, where top and bottom this grill gets on at 250 degrees 25 minutes you can use it. So what all you have to use, if you're toasting and frying, you should use a crumb tray, grill rack, and also grill bake tray tong. So they have given a complete instructions. If I read, so also you can better take a screenshot of it and read, because it will make the video very long. So this is it. This is how we function it. Without, we need not touch the tong with the we need not touch the rotisserie with hands, bare hands. They have given a tong to put it. So these are the instructions. So even I'm showing you the manual so that you will read it before you want to buy it, because this manual instructions which you'll get only after buying a product. But this YouTube channel is going to help you to know the things before you buy it. So I'm only reviewing this after using it for a long period of 2 years, where I hardly used for more than 10 times. And this is rotisserie, grill and broil. Have to use it, the instructions and operations, the care what you should take, everything has been given here. At what temperature you have to bake it and toast it. So this is how it comes with the manual. So maintenance and cleaning also they have given it completely. They have given that never allow water to spill on the tempered glass door when it is still warm. But see, it's not lemon juice, where we'll be using it for the marination of our tandoori. So I don't think, but still, whatever it is, if you're a person who takes care of things so much, but still if it gets spoiled, we are just human. Human is to error. So we need not think that everything comes perfect and stays without for perfect. Everything comes with a expiry date, even we humans. So this is how it is. This is my oven toaster griller OTG of Usha, but I'm quite happy with it. If you're a person looking for it, I don't remember the price for which I have bought this. I would literally put it in the description box or in the video editing. Like, I'll put the price of this, how much I got this. I don't know what's its price now, because the price variations may fluctuate due to, even because of this corona, many of the prices have fluctuated and jumped so high. So this is it. And I'll also share in the next coming videos my tandoori grill, how I'm using it. So keep watching. Please do subscribe, share my channel to your friends and who wanted to buy this. Okay, it's a good buy. I don't say that instead of going for higher end, it's better you take a lower range, because anything whatever you buy, it doesn't comes for a lifespan as equal to a human being, unless until you are some lucky charm. So please don't forget to subscribe, please hit like and do comment, and also share this video, and please share this video so that even your friends going to subscribe to my channel. So please do help me out, and it will be a very big motivation for me to making the next coming videos. Hope you all like it. Thank you.